to show you guys today. It's a unit made by a company called DPR, which is an Italian company. Very well made company. What they do is they take the GraphTech plotting systems and they design their own systems around the GraphTech system. So for example, this being the Gemini, it's a sheet cutter. You've got the GraphTech plotter with the hopper and exit tray, which is designed to feed the sheets through to the system. They have another model which is a roll-to-roll finishing system, which we spoke about earlier, uses the same plotter, just has a different system built around it. Alright, so you've got your hopper at the rear of the machine over here where you load your paper. Maximum you're looking at 350 wide and 500 long with magnetic guides, and you can also set it down to A4 and smaller as well, which has another little guide that you load into the system. Super easy to load your material into the back and adjust your guides, obviously because they are magnetic. Then what happens is the hopper automatically lifts and feeds sheets into the plotting system. The plotting system will then cut it out or crease it depending on what you're wanting to do at the time, and then drop the finished sheet down into the exit tray. If you using the maximum grammage on the machine, which is about 350 GSM, you can fit about 150 pages in the hopper at once. Right? You have a single tool holder on the system, and to do the different things, obviously you have to then remove the tool that you're using and input the tool that you want to use next. So you have the creasing tool and the cutting blade. Right? You have two options when you're doing boxes and you want to crease and cut the boxes out. You can either load just the creases onto your PDF and run all the boxes through and do all the creasing first and then reload it into the system and then cut afterwards. Or you can set it up where you have, for very short runs, say 1 or 2 boxes, you can crease and cut in the same job. So the software will tell you as when you need to load the specific tool in. Alright. What we got for you today is just a A4 sheet of paper with some images that we're going to cut out. Alright, so the machine will load the job, the sheet of paper or the cardboard into the system, pull it all the way through so it's not still sitting in the hopper, then measure the individual crop marks. You can set it to use no crop marks, 2 crop marks or 4 crop marks. Obviously the more crop marks you use, the more accurate the system will be. So if you're just cutting out a box out of a blank piece of cardboard, you don't necessarily need it to be 100% accurate with regards to positioning. Obviously once it starts cutting, it'll be accurate from that point. But if you're specifically cutting out graphics and you need the cut marks to line up exactly with the graphics, the more crop marks you use, the more accurate it's going to be.